Hello, today we're going to attempt to make a teddy bear. So this is what you need to make. You need a piece of fabric, 2 eyes made of felt, that's what we chose, but you can use buttons if you want, a nose, a mouth, and then you need a pen to draw the outline of the bear, something to stitch with, a needle. You will need good scissors, a hot glue gun, and maybe a stick of glue, and you will need something to stuff your puppet. And let's see how we start to do everything. The first step is to put your material into two, fold it into two, and draw the shape of your plushie thing. We decided we wanted to make a bear. Then what you need to do is to make sure the two pieces of fabric are held together by pin points or something similar, so when you will stitch them they will still keep in the same spot. And then you need to go to the next step, cutting the shape. That's how the shape should look like. I always cut a bit more than the shape I've done, so I make sure that while I stitch it still stays the same measure I wanted it to be. Then we go to the next step. The next step is to start to stitch the pieces together. I always start under an arm and then following the upper arm towards the neck and following until I am at the second leg, and when I'm on the shoulder of the second leg I stop, because you will need a hole where you need to put the stuffing. So let's do it. Now that we've finished to stitch it, we'll take the needle points out and we'll turn the bear on the other side of the material. And this is how it looks. And on the other side, we will now stuff the bear and then we'll glue the eyes, the nose and the mouth, and we've finished to stitch this side. And this is our final product, a bear. And it's ready for cuddles. It might not be the most perfect bear, but it's a toy that a child could do. Please give it thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.